Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. He wanted to learn English, but he felt shy and afraid of making mistakes. Every time he tried to speak, people laughed, and he stopped trying. One day, his teacher told him, "Arjun, don't try to learn everything in one day. Take small steps. One new word a day can change your world." Arjun thought deeply about it. From that day, he started learning one new English word daily. He wrote the word on a paper, spoke it aloud, and used it in a sentence. Sometimes he forgot the word. Sometimes he made mistakes, but he never stopped. Months passed. One morning, Arjun's school held an English speech contest. Everyone was surprised when Arjun stood on stage with confidence. His voice was clear, and his words were strong. When he finished, the whole school clapped for him. His teacher smiled and said, "You see, small steps create big changes." Arjun learned an important lesson. Success doesn't come from doing big things once. It comes from doing small things every day with heart.